video, make sure to subscribe my YouTube channel. Hajj is one of the pillars of Islam. Pillars of Islam. Pillars of Islam. Hajj is one of the pillars of Islam performed at Makkah. First the Hajjis put on ihram, put on ihram, put on ihram. First the Hajjis put on ihram and recite Talbiha. The Hajjis around the Kaaba go round and round, round and round, round and round. The Hajjis around the Kaaba go round and round, and this movement called Tawaf. The Hajjis run between Safa and Marwa, Safa and Marwa, Safa and Marwa. The Hajjis run between Safa and Marwa 7 times for Sa'i. Then the Hajjis leave for Mina, leave for Mina, leave for Mina. Then the Hajjis leave for Mina, where they ask forgiveness from Allah. The Hajjis pray all day at Mount Arafat, Mount Arafat, Mount Arafat. The Hajjis pray all day at Mount Arafat. This act is called Wuquf. Next Hajjis spend night at Muzdalifa, Muzdalifa, Muzdalifa. The Hajjis spend night at Muzdalifa and collect pebbles for Rami. Then the Hajjis celebrate Eidul Adha, Eidul Adha, Eidul Adha. Then the Hajjis celebrate Eidul Adha on the 10th of Zul-Hajj. The Hajjis walk through the Jamarat Bridge, Jamarat Bridge, Jamarat Bridge. The Hajjis walk through the Jamarat Bridge for stoning of Shaitan. Then the Hajjis sacrifice an animal, an animal, an animal. Then the Hajjis sacrifice an animal, remembering Prophet Ibrahim's Sunnah. Then the Hajjis remove their ihram, remove their ihram, remove their ihram. Then the Hajjis remove their ihram. It's time to trim the hair. Again the Hajjis run between Safa and Marwa, Safa and Marwa, Safa and Marwa. The Hajjis run between Safa and Marwa 7 times for Sa'i. The Hajjis stays in Mina for 2-3 days, 2-3 days, 2-3 days. The Hajjis stays in Mina for 2-3 days to continue Rami at Jamarat. At last Hajjis perform Tawaful Wida, Tawaful Wida, Tawaful Wida. At last Hajjis perform Tawaful Wida. This marks the end of Hajj.
Hajj Mubarak.
Thank you for watching.